Hello, remember to share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it and all that stuff. We are now going to get into the blush and bronzer drawer. So, we're going to start off with this little one here. Definitely keeping this. It is my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I know some people don't like Physicians Formula for good reasons, but this works so well. The scent is so awesome too. As you can see, I panned it. It's the only bronzer I really use. I really need to try and use other bronzers, but I always end up falling back to this because it doesn't make me look all orangey. This I've used a little bit, and I need to try it out some more. The Ipsy Cosmetics. It's a bronzer, and it seems to be light enough for me. It's in the color Aloha. I need to try it some more. Then I have two Wet n Wild bronzers that I've never even opened up. So those are staying as well because I need to try them. The You're Dragging Me Down. And actually, You're Dragging Me Down I think is leaving. And I'm going to keep Queensland. Right? Because, what? I don't know. I'm so confused, like, or maybe it's Queensland that I should keep. One is slightly darker than the other. You know what? I'm just going to keep them both and try them out. And then figure it out from there. So, they're both staying. I know. I've got some palettes in here. This is the Beauty Treats Face Powder Contour Palette, Contour Collection. I never use this one, but Bianca does. So she's probably going to snag it. And I'm going to get rid of that one. This is the Contour is a Girl's Best Friend. I've barely used it. I don't contour often. I need to practice more. I have used this a bit, but in that a little bit. But I need to, like, try it out more. This is way too dark for me, obviously. But it looks like somebody tried to use it. I don't know what they were using it for. As I said, my daughter uses this stuff sometimes, so. This one's kind of sparkly. It's like a nice sparkly highlighter. I didn't notice that before. Anyways, keeping this one. I want it in a giveaway, and I want to use it more before I just, you know. This I have used a lot in the past. As you can see, this is like completely gone right here. Oh, you can't see it because I didn't realize the angle wasn't okay. I hope you saw stuff from the other one. This is like almost completely gone. So I do use it, so I am keeping it. So those are staying. This one goes. Now it's all blush. Okay. This is a NARS blush. It's the very famous Orgasm. I'd keep it. I don't know why. I doubt there's anything still on there really worth using. Let me just. Yeah, it's not. I'm gonna move it along. I'll just throw it out because it's not even worth trying to give to somebody. Okay, now we've got, this is Dirty Little Secrets in Kitty Pink, one of my favorite blushes to use. So I'll definitely be keeping this. This I'm getting rid of. I don't even remember. It's that famous designer, and at the moment, for some reason, his name has just like left my brain. He came out with a makeup brand, but he doesn't put the name of his makeup brand on this stuff. Or the name of the color. So I think he's an idiot. At least he's an idiot about makeup. He may be good at fashion, but you shouldn't bother with makeup when you can't even like do like decent packaging and the naming of your products. It was pretty, but I'm getting rid of it. Just don't even want to deal with it. It's annoying to me that it doesn't have like a name, and it's not pretty enough for me to keep it when it doesn't have a name. This is a little blush from the Balm Springs. I'm getting rid of that. It's like, it's too little. This Ginger and Gold Illuminating Peach Gold Blush from Seraphine Botanicals. I'm keeping that. I actually really like this blush on occasion, so I want to keep that one. The Tarte blushes. The Tarte blushes are so nice. I don't really care for the company, but I got these as like as samples. This one's called Quirky in either Ipsy or Bolt, and this one's called Feisty. I'm gonna keep them because I really do like them. I wouldn't buy them though. If I ran out of it, like that would be the end. But I mean, I highly doubt I'm gonna run out of those anytime soon. So I will keep them. So there we go. And now there's this one. Okay, this is falling apart. This here, it's falling apart. As you can see, I've panned this color. It is like my favorite. This is the e.l.f. blush palette. It's the light blush palette. Their little blush palettes are so cute. Packaging broke on me, but I'm still keeping it because I love it. We've got, okay, the Pacifica. These are actually really nice, and I don't usually like Pacifica makeup that much, but in this case I like them. I like the colors, and I will be keeping them. It's Pacifica Coconut Blush. This Douce, I think is how you say it. It was from Glossybox, but these don't have their names on them. Once again, like, I get annoyed when there isn't names of the blushes on them, because I can't, like, if somebody says, hey, that's a pretty blush, I can't say, oh yeah, it's this. It's like, I can't. This is a really pretty, like, coral color, and this is like a light pink color. They're pretty, but I don't want them. I've got plenty of colors already. Oh. This is going, it is obviously not for me. It was way too dark. Don't know what I was thinking. It's called Enchanted Orchid. It's totally going. This one, I actually have used this a few times, and if you put on really lightly, it's okay, but I'm still getting rid of it. It's really too dark for me. It's in Plum Rose. I should have known they would be dark. I don't know what I was thinking. This is like one of my very favorite blushes again. e.l.f. I like e.l.f. blushes. This is in Tickled Pink. There, you can see that. It's really pretty. I will be keeping it. This one, okay, I can't show you that one because I just dropped it. But it was another e.l.f. blush. This is an e.l.f. blush in Mellow Mauve. Didn't want to open. It's really pretty blush. I will be keeping that one. And the other, I'm gonna get this other blush. I am. Oh, yeah, that's me groaning. Okay. This is in the color, oh, it's the coral one. Candid Coral. Also really pretty. I will be keeping it. So I got rid of like a lot. Actually got rid of quite a few blushes. So yeah, that worked out pretty good. Once again, thanks for watching. And always remember to be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Bye-bye, kitty cat. Look at this guy. Yeah, he is watching a video on my phone of my friend's dog. You're so weird. Yeah. You shouldn't even be on that table. I'm letting you get away with shit right now. I guess I'll put this at one of the end of my videos. Say hi, Pancake. You're a good boy.